That's wrong.
Take 3. Alright.
Man, Josh, have you noticed that 2's too much, but 1's not enough?
Huh. In this episode of Fix It Bong Bong, I show you how to replace your blower motor resistor.
So we're in traffic, and I'm like, man, 1's just not blowing like it should, but it's still getting something. And Josh is like, I bet if you put it on recirc, it won't blow. And I was like, nuh-uh, it'll blow. So then I put it on recirculation, and the damn thing didn't blow. I was like, man, I got a really weenie 1, and 2's a little too much.
Hey there YouTube, if you have a 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 and you've noticed a couple of your blower motor speeds aren't working, chances are it's going to be a faulty blower motor resistor. It's actually a really inexpensive part. Usually you can find it for around a little under 40 bucks. And in this video I'm going to show you how to replace it. It's a pretty simple job. We're actually in the middle of a road trip, so we're going to be doing it right here in the middle of a parking lot. And alright, here we go. Alright, so your blower resistor is going to be located behind the glove box. Take this down. Let's see. Right there. And it's going to be 2 8mm screws holding it in, so we're going to go ahead and remove that. And you're probably going to go ahead and lose everything in your glove box. Oop. Socket wrench right there. I'll do the back one first, just to get that out of the way. I tried for about 3 minutes to try and unplug that and I couldn't, so we're just going to take it off once we get this screw out. Now you can get to the other one from underneath. Alright, once you got your 2 screws out, it will literally just pull right out of your blower motor. Like so. We'll pull it down. Now you'll be able, oh, there's your tap. Press that in. That. Here's your old one. Here's your new one. We'll go ahead and insert that first. Like so. Screw in, and then tighten this one in. This awesome Duracrap wrench here. You get like 45 degrees of rotation for the next click. Alright, don't forget to plug in your motor harness. Didn't click, whatever. Alright. Don't forget to put your stuff back in the glove box.
We're gonna start it.
Whoa. Alright, so now you got your new blower resistor in. You should now have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
You know the car's not even turned on.
They don't know that. Okay. Oh, at least shut your door. Huh. In this episode of Fix It Bong Bong, I show you how to replace your blower resistor.
That's your phone. Man, Josh, do you notice 2's too much and 1's not enough? Huh. What is going on? You're not even filming me.
Oh. Alright, open this window so I can get this out.
Where's the keys?